Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel iEducation. Today we are here to discuss about OSPF series which we have made especially for OSPF in our iEducation channel. So how to learn this OSPF with our iEducation channel? There are multiple playlists. Select the playlist or you are watching that playlist from these two. If you want to continue it with English, you can select OSPF Explained in English Scratch to Expert series for English medium, and if you want in Hindi, the same series is available in Hindi also. So you can opt any playlist. So just select that playlist. Inside playlist you will have a video sequencing from number 1 to 25. All videos are numbered. All these videos are numbered sequentially, so you can start from 1 and end up to 25 videos. So after 25 videos you will have a clear knowledge of OSPF. If you want to know theoretical knowledge, you can watch all the videos which are of theory classes. Whatever I have mentioned in green, it is for lab. For lab purpose you need to install GNS with iOS image installed on your PC. You need this GNS software. Otherwise you can also work with packet tracer. So I recommend GNS with iOS image. Okay, then whatever you want, it is just firstly the video number will be there. Then you can divide this into day wise. So you can start with day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. You can see I have mentioned up to day 15 you will have a clear understanding of OSPF. So why to watch videos through iEducation? There are multiple reasons which makes us different from other channels. Number 1, we provide online training, but we provide this training in such a manner that you will feel that you are in a offline class. We have customized these videos with this whiteboard and pen, marker, whatever we want, as you get a feeling that you are sitting inside a class. Secondly, we have prepared all labs and share you screenshot of our laptop so that you can easily rewind these things, and if you have missed anything you can configure it by rewinding it. Okay, so lab and theoretical you have complete knowledge. Then third thing is material is in OSPF I can complete it within 2 or 3 videos, but I have made this 25 because I want to give you depth knowledge of OSPF so that it will be easy if you want to prepare for any examination for associate level or professional or expert level or CCNA, CCNP or CCIE. Apart from courses, if you want to give any interview for this networking side, OSPF is a very important protocol. So we have also mentioned the points which is very useful for interview point of view. So you can continue watch these videos, and I assure you that if you do not have any knowledge of OSPF, you start with scratch, you will reach, when you finish this series, then you will be expert in OSPF. So please watch these videos and comments if you need clarification of any point, or if you can give feedback about these videos in our YouTube channel. So thank you for watching this video.